Want to complete BingX KYC fast in 2026? Here's the simple step-by-step method. First, open your account on BingX and log in. Then go to your profile icon and click on Identity Verification. Next, choose Basic or Advanced Verification. In most cases, Advanced KYC is what unlocks full trading access. Now select your country and upload your documents, usually your national ID card, passport, or driver's license. Make sure the photos are clear, no blur, and all corners are visible. After that, you'll need to take a selfie or face verification. This is to confirm your identity matches the document. Once you submit everything, approval usually takes just a few minutes to a few hours, depending on your region. And here's the fast method tip. Use good lighting, avoid VPN issues, and make sure your details exactly match your ID. Most KYC failures happen because of blurry photos or mismatched information. After approval, you unlock higher withdrawal limits, fiat trading, and full platform access. So that's how you complete BingX KYC quickly and correctly in 2026.